The Fulbright Program is a prestigious international educational exchange program sponsored by the U.S. government. It was established in 1946 with the goal of promoting mutual understanding between the people of the United States and people of other countries. The program provides grants for students, scholars, teachers, and professionals from around the world to study, teach, or conduct research in the United States. It also offers opportunities for Americans to study, teach, or conduct research abroad. The Fulbright grants are highly competitive and are awarded based on academic and professional achievement, leadership potential, and the ability to promote cross-cultural understanding. Grantees receive funding to cover travel, living expenses, and other costs associated with the program. The Fulbright Program is named after Senator James William Fulbright, who was a prominent American politician and the founder of the program. Senator Fulbright was a strong advocate for international education and cultural exchange, and he believed that mutual understanding between people from different countries was essential for promoting peace and cooperation. In 1945, Senator Fulbright introduced legislation in the U.S. Congress to create a program that would allow American students to study abroad and foreign students to study in the U.S. The legislation was signed into law by President Harry S. Truman in 1946, and the program was named the Fulbright Program in honor of Senator Fulbright's vision and leadership. Since then, the Fulbright Program has grown into one of the largest and most prestigious international exchange programs in the world, and it has provided opportunities for thousands of students, scholars, teachers, and professionals from around the world to study, teach, and conduct research abroad. The program operates in over 160 countries and has provided more than 400,000 grants to participants from around the world. Fulbright alumni include Nobel laureates, Pulitzer Prize winners, and heads of state. The Fulbright Program is administered by the U.S. Department of State's Bureau of Educational and Cultural Affairs, and it is considered one of the most prestigious international exchange programs in the world. Its alumni network is a testament to the program's impact on individuals, communities, and nations around the globe.